The OCR text expression is in the category Other and has a result of a text data type. The purpose of this expression is to extract text from an image. There are a few constraints that are unique to this expression that we would like to go over now. The first is that this requires an internet connection. It cannot be nested within another expression. This means if you would like to use the result, you need to first create a column for this information and then reference that column in a separate column. Lastly, this can only be used as an initial value formula or app formula. This means it cannot be used inside of templates or conditions other places in the app. The OCRTEXT expression has one parameter. This is an image that you would like to extract text from. The result is all of the text that could be extracted from the image. Let's look at an example. Here we can see our OCRTEXT expression, and we pull in an image. This is going to pull out all text that AppSheet can recognize within the image. Once you have this text, you can use it other places in the app, but this expression here has to be used exclusively within the column section of an app in the initial value or app formula sections. I hope that this was helpful. If you would like to learn more, we invite you to check out appsheettraining.com.